Python Web Conference 2022 is coming right up. We have got one of our speakers with us today. Eli, I want to thank you for joining me. Give a quick introduction about yourself.
I'm Eli. I'm a developer advocate at Anvil, which is the platform for building full stack web apps with nothing but Python. So obviously we love Python Web Conf. I'm going to
Yes.
be speaking about different user authentication methods for web apps. So what authentication is, why it's necessary, different options that you have for authenticating your users and their various drawbacks, and talking about what makes an authentication system good. So I'm very excited to be able to speak.
Yeah, I was going to ask if there's going to be a wall of shame, and we're going to talk about what some of the bad authentication systems are.
Yeah, I think my personal pick is SAML, and you'll have to watch the talk to hear exactly my rant on all of the reasons why that is. But
I will
SAML,
absolutely be
definitely.
there. If I remember correctly, this is last year was your very first tech conference, Python Web Conference 2021, and now you're speaking in 2022. What are you looking forward to
Mhm.
during the conference?
Well, last year, one of the things that really struck me, obviously, it was, as you say, it was my first tech conference, but it definitely set the bar very, very high in terms of being able to socialize with people and how natural that felt, even though I guess we were still quite early in the remote conference sort of
Mm-hmm.
landscape. So I'm really looking forward to being able to hang out with more people, hearing about the weird and wonderful things they're doing on the web with Python. Um, and hearing everybody else's talks, of course.
Yeah, and we've got some great socials coming up. We're going to have a breathing exercise by one of our speakers, so developers and the like can all focus on being a little more mindful. So I look forward to that, and look forward to seeing you and all the rest of the attendees at Python Web Conference. So thank you so much for being with me today.
Well, thank you for having me.